Hello everybody, welcome back. So we're looking at the Matata Studio NousAI set. A nice little robot, lots of features, lots of expandability, lots of variability. And we're checking out the coding site, which is nous.matatastudio.com, and wondering about resources and where we can go for help. Now obviously Matata Studio has a YouTube channel. And they've got they have other projects and other things going on. So they got digital microscopes. So here's the playlist for the NousAI set. They also have a VinciBot, some things you can add to the VinciBot Creator Kit, Tailbot Pro, an awesome screen free, another thing they call coding set, another screen free kind of thing. So there's things that other things at their website. So they've got their website always, right, or their YouTube channel. Now in the coding, again, we're looking at all this. Obviously helps to get an account. So you can sign in, and I did sign in. I don't know what this says. I'm signing in. That's okay. You can switch between Block and Python. Okay, but help. Where do I go for help? And if I look at toolbar, I can always search for Help Center, and they can get that. I'm getting to something. And then Toolbox. Well, that's where if you got to check on your firmware for the hub, right? Okay. But tutorials. It's the big thing here, because they've got a great set of tutorials organized very well. So here they're listing all of them. A bunch of different sets here. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm going to go backwards. Start with construction. So they've got some set things to build, but you can build anything you want with their parts, right? But they got some set kind of things because those go along with the tutorials that they're doing on things that they would create to do certain things. But obviously you can build different stuff, right? So there's some nice engineering design, and they just pop up videos in your screen. So we're back here. So that was engineering. We'll go with computer vision. So that's a little bit far ahead because that's lesson 5, right? All right. So what does knowledge points say? Learning a little bit about what is, ratio, pixel ratio, how to create a speech model, some stuff like that. And then they get into their AI units, starting with, unit 1, how to program it, how to do the seeing with the camera, right? So they're working through the lessons from the beginning. That's the AI. And then some more advanced stuff that they've got here for making your own little password with the camera. So these are some nice. Oh, a smart cash register. Okay. So some of it's playlist, some of it's. So there's a video that could go to help you. So it's a nice set of tutorials to walk you through things to help you learn it. That was advanced TinyML. So short things there. Obviously, the password system was ML, machine learning. I'm sorry, and then the computer vision. So lesson 5, 6, 7. So they got it broken down different ways. Mouse knows animals. So obviously you can make this bigger, right? I hope. Maybe. Oh, maybe not. Okay. So they've got some instructions, learning outcomes, nice video. Boom. So again, you're gonna want to check out the tutorials, even if you don't have the NousAI yet, to get a feel for what it can do. It'd be nice to check out the tutorials. I mean, this website, this browser-based coding, free. You don't have to have an account to look at it. Don't have to have an account to look at the tutorials. You do have to have an account to save files when you start programming. So check out the tutorials.